Hello students, and once again welcome back to Gokhale Education Society's e-learning program 2020-21. Myself Mr. Prakash D. Chauhan, assistant teacher from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College English Medium, Ozar Township. Friends, today we will learn Geography subject of English Medium, Standard 9th. So, let's start. The lesson number 7, International Date Line. In the previous video of lesson International Date Line, we have learned standard time of various countries, and the need of international date line. Today, we will learn about international date line and the importance of international date line in this video. Friends, in the previous video, we have learned how the confusion of the time was there for Minal as well as Sunil. How to solve the confusion of the time, this thing we will learn in today's video. Friends, so far in this lesson, you might be learned that each country has their own time zone. So, if we will try to follow the time zone of each country, then there will be the confusion and anarchy all over the world for the international time. So, according to the Greenwich City of London, the international time is decided, and how to solve the confusion of the days and the time, that we have to learn in this video. Friends, when you cross the 180 meridian, some precautions should be taken. Meridian of 180 is reached after 12 hours from the prime meridian. If you go from east or west, accordingly an adjustment or change in a day and time is made. According to the convention, the start and end of a date is considered to be at 180 meridian. Therefore, the following points were taken into the consideration whenever you will draw the international date line. First, the direction of travel and the current day and date. Whenever we are traveling from Japan to America, we need to consider the existing day and date even after crossing the international date line. For example, if it is a Thursday 25th December, the Thursday 25th December and should be considered. On the contrary, while going from America to Japan means from west to east and crossing the ideal, one needs to add a day to the date. So, if it is a Thursday 25th December, then it will be a Friday 26th December, and it will be clear from the following example. You can see in your textbook also in figure 7.2. Just here, Shamrao left for America, which lies to the east of the international date line from Japan. From the day west to the ideal on 1st at 1 pm on Monday, after traveling for 24 hours in a flight, he reached America and saw the date there. It was Monday 1st 1 pm in the afternoon. Likewise, Shamrao left for Japan, which is to the west of ideal, from America. From the east of ideal, on Friday 5th at 12 noon, he reached Japan after 24 hours flight, and the date was Saturday 6th 12 afternoon. So friends, we can consider that with reference to the ideal, the day on the earth starts in the west and ends in the east. It is one and the same day only at 12 o'clock midnight at 180 meridian. For the countries which lies to the east of it, that is the USA, Chile or the Latin American countries, it is the end of the day, while for the countries lying to the east of it, that is Japan or Australia, it is the start of a new day for them. Now a question may come in our mind that Why don't the dates change with respect to 180 meridian then? Why is the ideal required? So, to know the answer of that question, let's see the need of international dateline. Our 24-hour day starts at midnight 12 o'clock. Because of the Earth's rotation, midnight occurs at different times at different places. As the Earth is spherical in shape, every place has a place to its east. That at what location to the east does the day start on the earth? To get an answer to many questions like this, representative of many nations got together under the leadership of American professor Davidson in the year 1984 and decided on the international date line. According to that discussion, the line was drawn opposite to the Greenwich Prime Meridian, that is, with reference to the 180 meridian. It is an international convention to change the day and time while crossing this line. An attempt has been made to make the ideal pass through the Pacific Ocean completely. Had it passed through the land or some islands, the people there would have had to follow the different dates and timings because dates would have been different on their eastern and the western parts. Also, it would have been difficult to know when one crosses the ideal on the land and when the date change on the calendar. Therefore, the ideal is not a straight line like the 180 meridian. At places it turns east while at other places it turns west. You can see in the figure 7.2. The ideal has been changed as and when required. The last change was made in 2011. Nevertheless, the maximum part of the ideal coincides with the 180 meridian. Friends, you can see in this figure 7.2 how the international date line is drawn from North Pole to the South Pole. It is drawn in red color. At some places it goes to the east, whereas at some places it goes to west. Friends, according to the international time zone, a person traveling to the east will add a day after crossing the ideal, whereas the person traveling east will continue with the same day last after crossing the ideal. It means, friend, although the ideal is drawn with reference to 180 meridian, international date line is not a straight line like 180 meridian. Why is it so? In order to pass ideal only on ocean areas, ideal is turned to the east or the west of 180 meridian. Hence, ideal is not a straight line. In other words, ideal is drawn in such a way to avoid passing over the land area. Friends, in order to decide the global transportation with respect to the airways, 180 meridian and the international date line is important. It is because of the ideal that the schedules of the traffic worldwide are organized properly. Now friends, examine a ticket of UA 876 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner closely and try to find the answers to the questions given below. Now friends, with the help of the observation of this ticket, try to find out the answer of these questions. From which country will the plane take off and where will it go? The plane will fly from Japan to US. What is the duration of the flight? This is a non-stop direct flight and will take 9 hours 50 minutes to reach the destination. The next question is, what is the day, date and time given at the starting point and destination of the flight? The journey will start from Tokyo, the capital of Japan, on Friday, 1st April at 12:30 am. That is 12:30 midnight hours of Friday. The destination of the journey is San Francisco in California, US, and flight will reach there on Thursday, 31st March at 5:45 p.m. That is 17:45 hours. The next question is, what special note is given on the air ticket? The special note is that the journey by this flight involves a date change. That is the important. The next question is, what could be the reason behind giving such a note? The very purpose of giving this note is to make passenger aware that in compared to the date of starting the journey, the local day and date will be the different at the destination. Accordingly, they should plan, and in this way the note is given for the convenience of the passengers. The next question is, during this flight, will the plane cross the ideal? If yes, then from which direction to which direction? Yes, the answer is the flight will cross the ideal during the journey. When the ideal is crossed while traveling towards the east, previous day is to be considered. The journey of this flight is to start on Friday, 1st April, and journey is going to complete on a previous day, that is the 31st March. It means the flight will cross ideal while traveling towards the east. Friends, the last question, what did you understand by reading the ticket, is omitted from the syllabus. Now friends, let's learn the last point of this lesson, importance of ideal. Friends, ideal has enabled the coordination between the transportation, communication, airline transport and the international trade. Ideal is also important for carving out the necessity of the coordinating time and date. International deadline helps to keep a track of all the calculations of the day and time accurately. It is because of the ideal that the schedules of traffic worldwide is organized properly. Okay friends, here the lesson ends. Now it is the time of homework. Friends, you will solve question 1 and question number 2 in your classwork notebook of geography subject. But question number 3, geographical reasons, question number 4, write in brief answers, and question number 5, all these questions you will solve properly in your homework book of geography subject. Before writing the answers of those questions in your homework book or classwork book, first listen the videos twice carefully, then read the lesson properly, and then write the answers of those questions in your homework book. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day for all of you.